back to my channel, also known as JS Elevators for a Fan. There'll be a full video on US 1 going to take a look at the construction zone.
The zone,
So,
whatever zone.
hope everybody will enjoy this video, and oh yeah, hope you're enjoying it. Actually, this bridge is a really, the bridge looks really nice. When they first built this bridge a long time ago, I believe it used to be a drawbridge, but they got rid of it, and now they have this bridge, because it's really why it's so big.
What
It's
a car
because
doing in there?
boats under it. Yeah.
What a car doing it?
You can see the roadwork sign is gone. See, they removed it, and you can't really see it. I think they moved it in the other side of the bridge. This is going to be a whole video of the highway project that is already completed. There's a roadwork sign right there. Now you can see the you can see a little bit of a view out there. You can see the sky. You can see the blue sky. And there's the roadwork sign right there. They just moved it for some reason. It said roadwork ahead. Speed limit's 45.
The sign there, they stick it up, the orange thingy.
And traffic is backed up getting into the Keys. So yeah, project almost done. It's already been completed now, as you can see. See, it looks a lot different now.
It looks normal now.
Yeah, the highway looks a lot different than it actually was. See the trees, you can't really see the ocean because, well, you can't see the ocean because they boarded up. So I can see a double white line. Yeah, that's a double white line. The camera's pretty nice. And as I can tell, the camera picks up really clearly. Devoted. Yeah, they did plant the trees really good. Oh, you can't really see the ocean because they blocked it up. The fence. Nobody can look at the ocean now because when drivers are passing by, they can't look at the ocean.
They could look up to people in bikinis.
Yeah. Also noted to Pepper Elevator and
Driving distraction.
yeah, there's a YouTube channel named Pepper Elevators. There's another YouTube user named Pepper Elevators, something like that. I don't know why, but it's really interesting. Yeah, my friend named it Pepper Elevator, but my friend named it Nico, who I met at the Dolphin Mall. But this is not bumpy anymore. I can tell it's really smooth. Yeah, this thing is really smooth. This is gonna be the last video of the construction project, and it's already finished now.
Already complete.
Yeah, this is the final video. This is the final video for the construction project, and I'm sure you'll get to see there are some burning trees in Florida City that you want to see. There are some burning trees you haven't seen in this video. And I'll probably take some pictures of that burning tree. See what it looks like. Yeah, those burning trees look really bad. There was actually a brush fire in Florida City, but it's not burning near Cardstown Road or US 1. It was last year, but this year it's different. But this year, brush fire is different than last year. It didn't really burn on the same area, and it was burning in a different area. like I said earlier. So I'm gonna end this video in just a few minutes. Once we get to the end of this construction zone, I'm gonna end it.
Then you come back to show the burning trees.
Now before I end this video, if you're a big fan of this channel, please let me know in the comment down below. And I'm gonna end this video.
Don't forget.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and
Share
hope
the
everybody
video.
enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.